India's daily number of COVID-19 cases today stood at 18,732, the lowest in nearly 6 months. Up to 279 deaths were recorded in the past 24 hours, taking the overall count since the outbreak in January to 1,47,622. The country's overall positive cases stood at 1,187,850 with 2,78,690 active cases. Delhi recorded 655 new coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours, the lowest in over 4 months, bringing a much needed relief for the national capital that had seen a sharp spike in cases in November. Moving on to the next news, the National Task Force on COVID-19 held a meeting on Saturday over the new mutant strain of coronavirus that was first traced in UK and discussed surveillance strategies to detect and contain the highly contagious infection. More than 50 samples of people who have returned from the UK are currently being sequenced at 6 labs across the country to find out if they have the mutant strain, and district surveillance officers are identifying passengers who have arrived from the country in the last 1 month, officials said. Moving on to the next news, the coronavirus crisis will not be the last pandemic, and attempts to improve human health are doomed without tackling climate change and animal welfare, the World Health Organization's chief said. The WHO chief also condemned the dangerously short-sighted cycle of throwing cash at outbreaks but doing nothing to prepare for the next one in a video message marking Sunday's first International Day of Epidemic Preparedness. The WHO Director General said it was time to learn the lessons from the COVID-19. Moving on to the next news, US President-elect Joe Biden warned Saturday of devastating consequences if President Donald Trump continues to delay signing a COVID-19 economic relief bill passed by Congress. Trump threw a long-awaited pandemic aid package into doubt last week, demanding lawmakers more than triple the $600 direct payments to US taxpayers as millions of Americans prepared to lose benefits and face eviction. The abdication of responsibility has devastating consequences. Today, about 10 million Americans will lose unemployment insurance benefits, Joe Biden said in a statement. Moving on to the next news, the second phase of voting for Karnataka's Gram Panchayat is being held today. Over 5,700 of total 6,004 Gram Panchayat across all districts of state will vote over 2 phases. The first phase was on Tuesday. Counting and results will be on December 30. The 2-phase polling is due to precautions in place during the coronavirus pandemic, which requires voters to maintain social distancing and limits the number of voters per booth.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.